Hello students, how are you all? Yes, we are starting lesson 7. No, we are doing lesson 7. Grandma Mason, we have done meanings, hard words, fill in the blanks, true or false, and give one word. Very good. So now almost we have completed. Okay children? So see, first we will revise all that thing and then afterwards we will do question answers. Okay children? So are you ready? What is lesson 7 name? Grandma Mason. Grandma, Grandma, M-A-S-O-N, Mason. Okay children? Now see. What we will do? Fill in the blanks, true or false, give one word, meanings. And today we will learn question answers. First we will do this revision and then at last we will do question answers. Okay children, so are you ready to learn new things now? You are learning at home? Yes. So now see, this is your revision only. Meanings, wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R, wonder, curiosity, C-U-R-I-O-S-I-T-Y, curiosity, always, at all times, always, at all times, A-L-W-A-Y-S, always, A-T, at, A-double-L, all, T-I-M-E-S, times. This we have done. So you all be knowing this. Riches, R-E-A-C-H-E-S, riches, to come to. Number 4 is cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. It is a vegetable, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E, vegetable. Raining, R-A-I-N-G-I-N-G, raining, to rain, R-A-I-N, rain, raining, to rain. Now we will do fill in the blanks one by one and then all at once, okay? Fill in the blanks. Grandma goes to the, do you remember where she goes? Very good. Grandma goes to the market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. See now one number. Grandma goes to the market. Okay? Do you remember this? Yes, yes or no? Where grandma goes? Grandma goes to the market. Number 2, grandma forgets her dash at the shop. What grandma forgets? Do you remember what grandma forgets? Grandma forgets her. Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Umbrella. Very good. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Number 3. Grandma always thinks. Grandma always. What grandma? Always. Very good. Grandma always forgets things. F-O-R-G-E-T-S, forgets things. Grandma always forgets things. Grandma always forgets things. Understood what grandma always forgets things? Yes. Number 3 is grandma always forgets things. F-O-R-G-E-T-S, forgets things. Understood? Now number 4. To remember, R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. To remember is the opposite. O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E. Opposite of to Do you remember this answer? Remember is the opposite of to. Yes, you are forgetting, no? So what is the meaning? Opposite of word remember. To remember is the opposite of to forget. Very good. Forget. Forget. Now see number 5. The things that you buy at a grocery shop are called. See, read again, then only answer. See, we have done this now. We are revising now. The things. THINGS. Things that. THAT. That you. YOU. BUY. Buy at a grocer's shop are called grocery. Very good. Those are given answer. GROCERY. 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 Okay? See now, do this. Learn this word. The things that you buy at a grocery shop are called grocery. Very good. Now we will do all at once. Okay? Number 1. Grandma goes to the market. Grandma goes to the market. Number 2. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Grandma forgets her umbrella at the shop. Grandma always. Very good. Forgets things. Grandma always forgets things. See the spelling of forget. FORGETS. Forgets things. Number 4 is to remember is the opposite of to forgets. To remember is the opposite of to forget. Number 5. See number 5. The things that you buy at a grocery shop are called. What are called? Things that you buy at grocery shop are called grocery. 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 Understood, children? Yes, now we have all done this fill in the blanks. Okay? Now see, children. Now we will do true or false. True or false. Number 1. Okay? True or false? Number 1. Grandma goes to the picnic. See, read again, then you write the answer. Grandma goes to the picnic. Grandma is going for picnic? No. Grandma goes to the picnic. Sentence is wrong. So what will come? False. 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 Understood? Grandma goes to the picnic. False. Okay. Read this. Grandma goes to the picnic. False. 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 Okay, children. Now see. Number 2. See number 2. True or false number 2? Grandma buys bread and butter. See, there is a bread and there is a butter. Grandma buys bread and butter. B-R-E-A-D, bread, A-N-D, and B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. See in the picture there is bread, packet, bread, and see there is a butter in that. Okay? ये jar see. Grandma buys bread and butter. Sentence is true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay? Grandma buys bread and butter. True. T-R-U-E. True. Okay, children? Now you all have understood number 2. Grandma buys bread and butter. That is true. Okay, children? Now say number 3. True or false number 3? Grandma takes her raincoat. R-A-I-N, rain, C-O-A-T, coat, raincoat with her. Grandma takes raincoat with her. See, grandma takes her raincoat with her. So the sentence is wrong. No, it is not raincoat. See, your picture is given. It is umbrella. Okay. Grandma takes her umbrella with her. She does not take raincoat. So this sentence is false. See here. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. The sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay, children? You all are doing, no? See, now you have to give me answer. Okay, number 4. See, 4 number, true or false? Grandma walks. See, this is grandma. Now you should know the spelling of grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A. Grandma is grandmother. Grandma walks. W-A-L-K-X. Walks back. B-A-C-K. Back home. H-O-M-E. Home. Grandma walks back home. The sentence is true. Yes, she comes back, no, home. Why? Because it was raining outside. Raining has started. No, she was in the market. Rain started. Yes. So, number 4 is grandma walks back home. That is true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay, children? Now see. Number 5. Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. Grandma Mason is forgetful. F-O-R-G-E-T. F-O-R-G-E-T. Forget. F-U-L. Full. Forgetful. F-O-R. For. G-E-T. Get. F-U-L. Full. Forgetful. Grandma Mason is forgetful because, see your spelling of because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because she is old. S-H-E, she is old. Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. Okay, children? Yes, that sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Understood? Grandma is forgetting everything, no? Why? Yes, why? Because she is old. Old woman. Okay, she is old. Yes, now you all are learning well. Okay? Now see, we will do all at once. Okay, see now. Grandma goes to the picnic. G-R-A-N-D, grandma, M-A-Ma. Grandma goes to the picnic. Sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Understood this? Grandma goes to the picnic. False. Number 2. Grandma buys bread and butter. See, read properly, then you will be able to answer. Understand the sentence. Grandma buys bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread and butter. She is buying bread and butter. Is grandma buying bread and butter? Yes. So this sentence is true. T-R-U-E. True. Okay. Grandma buys bread and butter. That is true. Now see number 3. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. So is this sentence true or false? Grandma takes her raincoat with her? No, the sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. That is false. Number 4. Grandma walks back home. Grandma walks back home. Grandma walks back home. She comes back, no? She returns home, no? Yes. Grandma walks back home. So what will be the answer here? Grandma walks back home. It is true, no? True or false? It is true. T-R-U-E. True. Grandma walks back home. True. Number 5. Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. She is forgetting because she is old. She is an old lady, no? So she is forgetting everything. So Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. So this sentence is true. T-R-U-E. True. See, again we will read this. Okay, children? So see now number 1. Grandma goes to the picnic. False. Grandma goes to the picnic. False. Grandma buys bread and butter. True. Grandma buys bread and butter. True. Number 3. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. False. See again. See again. Number 3. Grandma takes her raincoat with her. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Grandma walks back home. True. Grandma walks back home. True. Number 5. Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. It is true. Understood, children? Grandma Mason is forgetful because she is old. Sentence is true. Now I hope you all have learned true or false. Okay, children? Now give one word. This also we have done. Number 1, give one word. See, these words are given, no? So only one word for that you have to write. A person who sells food and other things. A person who sells food and other things. That is grocer. 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 Number 2 is a person who sells fruits and vegetables. A person who sells fruits and vegetables. A person who sells fruits and vegetables. Who sells fruits and vegetables? Do you know? Yes. Greengrocer. Green. Green. Grocer. Grocer. Okay, children. See now number 1. A person who sells food and other things. Grocer. Number 2 is a person who sells fruits and vegetables. That is greengrocer. Green. Green. Grocer. Grocer. Okay, children. So now we will do question answers. Answer these questions in short. See, you have to write only short answer. Don't write in full sentence. Okay. So question 1 is where. W-H-E-R-E. Where does. D-O-E-S. Does grandma. G-R-A-N-D. Grandma. Grandma stop first. Where does grandma stop first? See, first. At the grocery shop. First at the grocery shop. Where does grandma stop first? At the grocery shop. To buy bread and butter, no? So that is grocery shop. Where does grandma stop first? At the grocery shop. Very good. Only this much answer you have to write. First, you remember that. First she stop at grocery shop. Okay. Now what does grandma buy from grocer? What? W-H-A-T. What does? D-O-E-S. Does grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A. Grandma buy. B-U-Y. Buy from. F-R-O-M. From grocer. What does grandma buy from grocer? She stopped first at grocer shop, no? So at grocer shop, what she buys? Tell me. What does grandma buy? B-U-Y. Buy from grocer. Do you remember what she buy from grocer? Yes, tell me. What does grandma buy from the grocer? Very good. A packet of bread and butter. She buys, no? From grocer. A packet of bread and butter. What does grandma buy from grocer? A packet of bread and butter. See here. Don't write in full sentence. Grandma buys a packet of bread and butter from the grocery. Don't write that way. Write in short. See, in short answers are there. A packet of bread and butter. A packet of bread and butter. Okay. Now question number 3. See. Where does grandma stop next? See here there is next. Where does grandma stop next? Where does grandma stop next? W-H-E-R-E. Where does. D-O-E-S. Does grandma. 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 Stop. 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 Next. See, read the question properly and not first. Next. First she goes to the grocer shop. Then she goes to the... Do you remember? Where does Grandma stop? Next. 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 Where does Grandma stop next? Tell me the answer. W-H-E-R-E. Where does? D-O-E-S. Does Grandma. G-R-A-N-D-M-A. Grandma stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Next. N-E-X-T. Next. Where does Grandma stop next? See, your next is there. Okay, children? See, first she stop at the grocer shop and she buys packet of bread and butter. But then afterwards she comes from the grocer's shop. Where she goes? Where she goes? Which shop? Yes. Yes, you all are knowing. You have read the lesson, no? You read the lesson? So you will be knowing this. Where does Grandma stop next? See, the word next is there. When she buys bread and butter, then she goes to which shop? Which shop she goes? Next. Which shop? Do you remember which shop? Yes. Yes. Very good. She stops at the greengrocer shop. Vegetables and fruits, no? She buys vegetables, no? Cucumber and tomato she buys at greengrocer shop? Yes. So, where does Grandma stop next? At the greengrocer shop. A-T. At. T-H-E. The. G-R-E-E-N. Green. G-R-O-C-E-R. Apostrophe S. Greengrocer shop. Now you all have learned this. At the greengrocer shop, stop next at the greengrocer shop. Okay? Very good. Now see question number 4. When does Grandma first think about her umbrella? When? W-H-E-N. When does? D-O-E-S. Does Grandma first think about her umbrella? Where she remembered her umbrella? When she remembered her umbrella? Do you know? When does Grandma first think about her umbrella? Yes, very good. When she remembered first about umbrella? When it rains. When rain started, no? She remembers her umbrella because she was going wet, no? So, answer 4 is when it rains. When does Grandma first think about her umbrella? When it rains. Grandma first think about her umbrella when it rains. Understood this? See again. When does Grandma first think about her umbrella? So answer is when it rains. W-H-E-N. When. I-T. It. R-A-I-N-S. Rains. When it started raining, no? At that time she remembers her umbrella. At that time she remembers. So first when she remembers, she comes out the greengrocer shop. No, she remembers her umbrella. It started raining. So she remembered her umbrella. Okay, children. Now I hope you all have done question answers. Everything now you know. Okay, children? So, be happy and safe at home. Do your homework daily. And thank you.